Chef meet and greet in the evil eggs. One peaceful Easter day at Meet and Greet Manor. Thanks for coming, Officer. Chief. Chief? I'm not a chief, I'm a chef. But what were you saying, Officer? Happy Easter, Chef. Thanks. But suddenly... The Easter Bunny? Yes, I am the Easter Bunny. You can take as many eggs as you like. How about you take the whole basket? Thanks, Easter Bunny. Well, I must get going. I have other people to deliver to. Happy Easter. You too. Yeah, thanks, Easter Bunny. Meanwhile, they will never know that I, King Vampire, was dressed as the Easter Bunny. They'll also never know that I put bombs in the eggs. They shall completely destroy both of them. And back at the manor, let's start Easter off with the boom. Holy holidays! What kind of an Easter is this? Vampires and explosive eggs, all within 2 minutes? What will happen in the next 2 minutes? Find out next time. Same meat channel.